Hey everyone, so today I am here to tell you about the sources which I follow for the completion of my daily to-do list. As you guys keep asking from where we should complete these things, so here I am telling you in detail from where to complete the daily to-do list. Okay, these are the sources which I follow, and I will tell for both aspirants like who have any subscription and second who don't have any subscription and who want to prepare only from YouTube or free sources. Okay, so I will tell you for both of you. So let's start. So first is mains level DI. As I so for mains level DI, if you have plus, then you can follow Ashish Arora sir previous year playlist for SBI clerk mains. Okay, so we will divide this in two sections, like one for plus and one for non plus candidates. Okay, so you can follow Ashish Arora sir SBI clerk mains. Okay, and if you don't have plus, then you can follow Amar sir YouTube. Okay, Amar sir has provided mains TI topic by topic like arithmetic TIs. Okay, so you can simply religiously follow Amar sir. He provides very good content, and you can practice mains level DI from mock tests. Like today you have completed pipe and cistern DI from Amar sir playlist, then you have to simply search pipe and cistern DI or on Google, and if you see any pipe and cistern DI in mock test, then you can practice it from there. Okay, second is arithmetic. So if you have plus, then you can follow Ashish Arora sir, this is same. And if you don't have plus, then you can follow other channels like exam centric channel and Amar sir channel. Sources for mains DI and arithmetic are both the same for plus and non plus candidates. Okay, so third section is current affairs. Current affairs is same for all. Like first you have to follow is Affairs Cloud website, as they update daily current affairs on the website. You have to first read the current affairs from Affairs Cloud website, then watch GK Today video on YouTube. Okay, after covering current affairs from these two sources, just give a quiz of current affairs. Okay, this is more than sufficient to cover daily current affairs. Okay, then you can simply revise weekly from GK Today video and Adda capsule, weekly revision. Okay, and then monthly revision, so it will be sufficient for your current affair preparation. Okay, so the fourth query is puzzles, and it is about the 1000 puzzle series. Okay, so it is 1000 puzzle series. And one more thing, these all three are free sources. Okay, Affairs Cloud website is updated regularly, so if you don't have any subscription, then you can also read the content from website. Okay, so for puzzles it is 1000 puzzle series on Unacademy by Ankush Lamba sir, and it is totally free. You can just search in his plus classes, and it is very below in the special classes, so you have to go really below the playlist and you will find the 1000 puzzle series. Okay, you can simply cover two classes every day and then prepare and then practice from PDFs. Okay, so this is all for puzzles. And for miscellaneous reasoning questions like mains questions, you can follow mock, you can simply attempt sectional mock test of mains. As I also practice miscellaneous reasoning of mains from sectional mocks, you can also do the same and it will help you. Okay, if you don't have any plus subscription, and if you have plus subscription, then you can follow Ankush Lamba sir. Okay, so for editorial you can use vocab 24. As I am telling you again and again, this app is very useful. You can follow this app, just read a article 4 times like I have told you in the English strategy video. Okay, just follow that thing and it will really help you, I am telling you. Okay, So next is 9 a.m. English class. So this class is for plus students. So if you have plus, then you should attend. It is your duty. If you want to improve your English, then it is your regular duty to attend this 9 a.m. class by Nimisha Bansal. Trust me guys, this class do wonders for your mains and prelims English, okay? And if you don't have plus, then you should rely on editorial reading plus your understanding. Increase your understanding of English as much as possible, okay? And plus give sectional mock. If your English is weak, then you can give sectional mock of prelims. So next is prelims math class. So you guys ask from where I cover prelims math class. So I cover it from Studyfied channel. This channel is of Ashish Arora sir. He has started a series on SBI color prelims. So I am watching that class for my arithmetic. Okay. So I watch the prelims math class daily. It is of 1 hour usually. So you can follow this for your maths and it helps a lot. So next is banking awareness. So if you are a plus student, then you can follow Kapil Katpal sir on plus, and he has a playlist of 51 videos of banking awareness and it is very useful. And if you don't have any subscription, then you can follow his YouTube channel Study Niti. Just search banking awareness Study Niti and there will be a playlist of 14 or 15 videos I think. Watch that playlist and it will help you. Or you can follow Anil Agarwal sir playlist. Okay, if you do these two things, any of these things, your banking awareness will be very strong and you need not to study banking awareness again and again. Just complete it once and you will understand all the concepts. So next is mock test. So you guys ask, when I upload the mock test video, you always ask where is this mock test from which app you attempt mock test. So I have subscription of Adda, and second is practice mock. As Adda has not launched SBI color prelims mocks, so I am attempting practice mocks of SBI color 2020. Okay, if you have any other subscription, like if you have textbook subscription or like Olive Board or Smart Kida, then you need not to buy practice mock. You need not to, you need not to buy. Just attempt prelims mock from any source you have, any subscription. Just attempt mock, because level of every mock is good. Okay, there is no good or bad mock test. Every mock test is good. Okay, so please don't ask like which mock test is good, which mock test is bad. Okay, simply purchase that mock test which you can afford and attempt mocks are really helpful for the preparation. Okay, and it is the most important doubt, like from where to get 120 rules PDF. We can't find it on Telegram. Okay, so if you can't find it on Telegram, then search it on YouTube. Nimisha ma'am has made videos on 120 rules. Okay, you can simply watch these videos if you can't find that PDF, and watch these videos 2 times. It will help you keeping the grammar concepts in mind. Okay, so that was all. Remind me if I have left anything, I will add that thing. And tell me if you have any query regarding the sources. I hope you all will able to complete the daily targets. I have told you all the sources, the free sources and the purchase sources. And one more thing guys, some people keep asking like I have plus subscriptions, then some people keep asking for like please provide us plus PDFs or videos. Please don't do this, as I can't share the plus PDFs or like videos. So kindly don't do this. Okay, if you want to study from any subscription, any paid courses, then you have to purchase it. I can't share it with you guys all. Hope you all will understand. Okay, and there is, you know, if your basics are clear, then you need not to purchase any paid course. Okay, I had purchased the course because my basics were not clear. Simply I purchased the paid subscription for my maths, for arithmetic. Okay, but I can't share it, like I can't share the videos. People keep asking for videos of plus, but I can't share it. So kindly please don't do this thing, and I hope you all will do good and complete your daily targets on time. So all the best guys, study hard and prepare in a very good manner. Okay, as I am also doing it, and be consistent. Okay, I also feel demotivated time by time, but I have started this channel to be consistent. Like, I will have the responsibility to tell you guys like what I have done. So I thought it will be helpful for me too. So be consistent. Okay guys, so thank you.